welcome to our kitchen. The kitchen of rats. We are in a rat-infested kitchen. Hello.
Alright, Evangeline, tell them what your idea was. Oh, you can't see me if I get right here.
Okay, so I had a genius
You can't
idea.
see me.
Oh, you can't see me?
Wait, Jenny, can you pull the thing back a little bit so they can, because...
What's that?
No, like pull the kickstand back.
So they can
Pull
see
it
us.
back.
Pull towards you?
No, back.
Back!
Okay.
Good.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I had, oh, that looks weird. Look. So I had an idea where, you know, Thanksgiving you have to cook. And who's great at cooking? Ratatouille proved that rats are great at cooking. So we decided to turn our house into Gusto's restaurant, where we can be rats.
Yes. So we are rats cooking and baking. I am baking cornbread.
And I am making this sweet potato souffle. It's in the oven right now.
So we need 1/3 cups. So we're making Thanksgiving sorta from boxes. 1/3 cup of oil.
Because, you know, we don't really cook, but we're trying to, so it works.
The music in the back is French music.
Because we're trying to be Ratatouille. You know how it is?
Well, at least we think it's French music.
Hey, everyone!
There